here. Good cameraman.
Hello. Hello from Bucharest. Right, this series was going to be all around this area. For those who have already subscribed, hello. For those who haven't, what you're doing, get subscribing. It costs absolutely nothing. That will not be said again. And yeah, enjoy. Like, subscribe and all that bollocks. See you later. Right, and we are room 628, which must be down here. Just look like the Ramada actually. It's not got bad. Oh look, they've got executive grand rooms there as well. Well, we haven't even seen our room yet. 6. Oh, is it going down?
Yeah.
Going the wrong way. I'm sure it said it was down this way. Yeah, the taxi man's response to the hotel was quite funny. Couldn't speak much English, but he could say bloody hell. Right, so, oh, yeah, I did exactly what I did at the Ramada.
That's what number are they?
628, which is here. Let's have a look. Oh. Let's put this in, and we're in.
Oh, yeah, look, I've got one in the front. Oh, yeah, we have as well, I think. Oh, yeah, we have.
Yeah. Ooh, let's have a look. Right, I need to put this down. Put that down.
The balcony.
Wow, look at, what is that? That's a view of straight away whatever that building is. So let's have a look. We wish you. This includes the outdoor areas. Right, okay, so yeah, you've got to watch out for insects if we leave windows open. 2 beds made up because they know me and Spud likes our own room. Ooh, I'll have a look now. Alright, oh, we've got a TV channel guide. Straight away, I don't know whose bed that is, but they always do it. Doesn't matter what hotel you have, we're not having that on
Here,
there.
you'll find stories to reinvigorate your
Put
travel
that
senses.
on the chair, on the shade lounge.
Discover extraordinary hotels and destinations you'll love.
Kelly's been let on. Usually it will say no. There's your. It should say what's complimentary. I would say.
I think all of it is. That's just showing the calories.
That's no calories. That's the price.
Is it?
There's one for the bloopers. Ooh. Protein bars. Oh look, they've got little miniatures. Right, so I would say the coffee pods are going to be on there. Let's have a look. Well, they're not expensive anyway, because a Carlsberg is only 35 lei. The brandies are 70. Oh, I don't know about the chocolates then. They might be. Oh, condoms, 1 box. 75 lei. We shan't be needing any of those. There'll be none of that hanky-panky stuff going on in here. Look at this. I like that. These are all vegan. All of them. Are they a Prezi? It doesn't actually say... Oh no, it doesn't. No. Right. Vegan crackers. They're them. 75 lei. The roasted nuts, which are them ones. and the chocolate's 49, which it's not anything anyway, but there's nothing on there for coffees. Right, so all these lovelies are additional, but the coffee machine is within. So I don't think anything's majorly overpriced. What was in there, just a wardrobe? Let's have a look. With an iron. We've got a lot of wardrobe space. We're here for 6 days and it is that hot, you literally don't need... Oh, we've got slippers and dressing gowns. Look, with it on. Very poosh. Look at the bathroom. It's big. Oh, it's got a shower and a bath. Have you been in here? What smellies have we got? What smellies? Oh, nail file, which I actually do need. Forgot to bring my nail varnish, and my nails actually look so we'll be using that. Facial soap. Right, so there's a bit in there everywhere we go. When you've got a lot of rooms like this, you're going to get a bit of dust. Why have we got a toilet phone? I think it's quite cool having a bath and a toilet. No, bath and a shower. So more of this later. That's this week's heat. Yeah, last day.
Yeah, 10 hours.
Yeah, well, it is literally a last day.
Well, yesterday we went out for 7. Today we've got 10 hours. Before setting off.
Right, just have a quick look.
What is 10 hours?
Oh, have you got it? Yeah, so unfortunately this one isn't open. He said, didn't he? It's like through football season, basically. This was not open, which is a shame because actually we would have liked to have come in here. But all the tables are set. Why would they set the table? I know they'd probably re-clean them and that lot, but I don't know why they'd set the tables. It looks like it's ready to be opened. And the dartboards, we would have played darts. There's no pool table. So Champions is not currently open. We haven't been to the casino. I don't think that's open. I think that's what they're doing up with the ballroom and that one. But them two are both open. That's where we were last night. Just going in and having a... Well, all downstairs is fine. It's just the breakfast one. If I go to floor 1 first and just have a look. Right, okay, so the selection here is really good. We've got juices. What would you call the cold salad? Like, is it continental? Continental and full American. And on this you've got all your hots, omelettes and stuff. And actually today they're making me tofu from fresh. We're starting with the fresh fruits because that's where we start. And then we'll progress through the rest of the breakfast because we like to have a massive breakfast. Coffees are brought to you. They refill as you will. I managed to lose all recording of the actual breakfast area. So here are some pictures of some of our breakfasts.
We come here for summer's day.
Yeah, so it's our last night, yeah? Yeah. We thought we'd come for a cider, a cheeky cider, which cost...
2 for 8 quid.
Yeah, in this beautiful surroundings of our hotel.
Are you bought it?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes, I am. But instead, we started off with a cocktail. That's where everything is always going to go wrong for us. So you had a Hugo. I had a... Oh, I've already forgot what it was called. But it had limoncello in it, and it had everything in it, Prosecco and all the good stuff. There was a DJ playing. He's give up, because it's like last orders now, isn't it? We've gone from Southern Comforts to something I don't even know what I had. What was the first drink I had? Disaronno. Then I went to a...
Southern Comfort.
Nope, that was yours. I've said that one. I've had a Disaronno. yeah, a rum, which was meant to be Bacardi, and I'll have to put the link into it.
Signature.
Yeah, basically the gentleman came over and he told me everything about this, and it was nice. That's what I'm supping now, isn't it? With Pepsi.
You haven't even finished that.
I haven't, no, but I'm going to order another one because it's closing time. Like last order's at 12, so it's been a nice night though. We've also found somebody who's again been to Wales. Everyone seems to have been to Wales and been to Cardiff. To be fair, he didn't take a bus and he didn't go everywhere. So he's not another. What was his? Do you remember his name? At the pancake place.
Howard.
Dylan. Oh, Mikey would know. Yeah, it's basically IHOP. He was like, yeah, he told us everything, like he'd been everywhere. He's like, no, you haven't been to Preston. That is or Rail or anywhere else. Anyway, that is that. Right, okay. So we are in a 5-star, that's why we were whispering, 5-star hotel. And we're bringing it down to our level, which is what? 3-star? Scotland. That's good. There's no vodka in there though. This is like, yeah, what was that? What's the joke thing? I've already forgot. JD, no. Oh, look, yes, we need to get Mikey. I think that's the brand. I've seen it outside. At Monte Cristo. I think that is the brand of cigar. Right. That is, tell me if I'm wrong, JW Marriott. And we have like brought it, yeah, we have brought it down to JD Weatherspoon's level. Do you want to go to this casino?
Not in traffic.
Again, Jay's red. Oh, bless him. He was lovely. No, yeah. So, you know when the man took the stairs before, where did he take them stairs, would they be? Ah, yeah. That makes sense.
That takes you to the breakfast.
Right, okay. And that bar there, they serve coffees. They actually serve their own beer as well. You know that Euro. I'm not going to pronounce it right. Euros. Ah, that might be why we've had coach trip. Viking. That's what do you call them? When they're on a boat cruise. And the casino's in there. Nice seated area there. There's plenty of places to sit and relax, isn't there? Right, so this is yeah, but where do you wear them round the pool? Oh, there's a gym and swimming pool and spa where you get basically it's like an open changing rooms, Rolex shop. What's this? I thought that's like another unit. I think it's part of this one. Cigars, that's closed at the minute. Oh, yeah, again, it's probably because it's Sunday. I hope that we don't find that when we go out. It makes sense it would be shut today. This is what I'm trying to work out. You can go, there is an area you can go. Ah, right, okay. Is that open now, that area?
12 till 12.
I mean, this is just a hotel. This is before you leave the hotel. You've got all these shops.
Yeah, it's like Harrods, isn't it? Or where's Michael go? It's that cafe.
Selfridges. That's cool. I like that random piano shop. Or this would be good as well to have what do you call it on them? You know, those like reed diffusers. And then it's out some focus there. Right, so what's this? Yeah, but look, there's like all that there. Then look on the first floor. So that this is a complete area of the hotel we don't even go to. That's the offices. Yes, the bakery's shut on a Sunday, but oh, it is. It said it advertised it. But basically, all this was full of cakes, wasn't it, the other day? And they do fresh breads and crackers and all sorts. Oh, and there's them juices they actually have in our room.
The casino there, they won't let you go in.
No, of course they won't.
Film.
The doorway and things like that. Well, it's like this. If we come back, that'll all change again. We've got lots of branded stores. And actually, it was nice because he basically said, you know, when you were asking to film, he said, oh yeah, but, you know, as long as they said, yeah, I'm not going to stick it in people's faces, you just be polite. What brand is that? See, I had Goldberg. I don't know some of the brands. It doesn't mean anything, does it? It just means I don't know them. I'm sure I saw a hairdresser's in here. Oh, that's nice. Well, it's handy, isn't it? I think it'd be easier sometimes if I let you speak. Like, just say it all, because I think I confuse people. What's that? Oh, so yeah, is that? Oh, it's in there. Hairdressers. Cash machine. Oh, it's like an actual bank, it's not just a cash machine. That would be a very good idea for you to test and then purchase if you wanted to purchase.
Oh, I think you can go there.
Oh, it's a Sunday, isn't it? I was going to say that pharmacy, that's been open all this time. Right, well, I can stop this now and then I'll go further on around the corner. So the sports bar has got another entrance. It doesn't actually say the operating months though. And it does show swimming and things.